you for taking the time to join us today at our live NAAC software Ki-NAAC product session. So this is the this product is for the universities that we are showcasing it now. So we have products, separate products for the affiliated institutions, autonomous institutions. So today we have organized this for the universities. Can be general universities or the medical university. So welcome to today's presentation. As you all know why we are here. So I'm damn sure that what might be the issues that most of the universities are facing while in the NAAC accreditation process. So NAAC accreditation is a robust process. So dealing with 7 criteria and several key indicators. So is more a complex job. So the whole of the NAAC accreditation process, if you do manually, could definitely require time and effort. So this is why most institutions, whether it is university, affiliated, or autonomous, so they will look for some kind of systematic process, through a NAAC accreditation software. So keeping all these problems in mind, so CREMA has developed a SaaS-based model. So pre-assessment NAAC accreditation software named Ki-NAAC, so which is in fully compliance with the NAAC guidelines. So that means, if your university is a medical university, or if a college is a dental college, or if it is an education college, or maybe a dual mode, or because everybody is having different manuals. So we will usually follow the manuals, we'll customize the portal as per the manuals. So this proven software will streamline and improve the whole institutional process towards getting accredited. So as a whole, it helps you and it will take you to a successful accreditation. So I would welcome Dr. Rajiv C. Raghunath, who is the CEO of CREMA Software, to demonstrate the product in front of the audience. Welcome, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Mahima. Very nice of you to introduce CREMA as a company. And I welcome you all the VCs, registrars, and all the academic fraternity who are there out here. My pranams to you from our side. Just to kind of today, there are few things that I would like to highlight, and we have seen, as Mahima suggested, we have top 30 universities who have gotten our software, and then they are using it. So what we have designed is just, okay, there are people who will say that I will be designing Excel sheets and Excel sheets can work. Today, I will not say so. That is not the way to go, because then if the same thing happens, if the Excel sheet gets corrupted, then we have no way to kind of get that Excel sheet back. And then that is not a good way to kind of do it. And there is a process too. Basically, so this is a pre-assessment software that we have done with a process, basically. So if you follow the process, then the achievement of A or an A+ grade or an A++ grade for a university is not big enough. It is a simple thing. And the benefits of this software, once you use this, number one, it has a process. And I believe that if you manage the process pretty well, whether it is ERP implementation, NAAC implementation, NERF implementation, NBA, you name it, ASCSB, everything should be managed pretty well as a process. And if some person leaves and then kind of, he takes the data when he goes. So all those processes that you see can be eliminated, right? And you have a standardized mechanism. So I will tell you the benefits. One is, using this, it will become a pre-assessment software. Number two, it will act, there is a dashboard for analytics. So we have done very good analytics for VCs and registrars. So it will come on a dashboard. Number three, it will also have SSR directly downloadable from the software. So the SSR not only creates the responses, but also make sure that once you go through that SSR, you should be able to say, hey, there is a gap here, there is no gap here, kind of thing. So all the documents are viewable. in a click of a button. The other aspect to this is, if you see, let us say, the documentation what we have today, you also have an SOP, which is very important. The SOP guidelines needs to be followed by all university IQAC members, so that everybody is standardized. And then once you don't do the SOP guidelines, then there will be DVV validations coming inside your for the university. That means you are doing a lot of back and forth with the NAAC people, and then the third party verification that happens basically. So now what we are trying to look at is very clearly, I will show you these benefits: SSR, AQAR. You can download AQAR, present it. You can download SSR, present it. All that you do, and then once you put into NAAC government software, so then it is just an upload from here to the NAAC portal, and be done with it. That is all. Meaning, once you have got the pre-assessment software, it will give you everything what you need. And wish all of you can be our customers. We believe that clients are gods and the customer is God. So that is where we believe in, and hope not only for NAAC, but we have NIRF, NBA, OBE. We have also some placement software also. So you can come down and then write us an email. That will be great. So we can help you out. Thank you so much for attending.